weed, I'm back to pack on hands with young Cletus to pack my back. Yo, nigga with a nose ring, that's right. I just here to rap them songs. Rag on my hair, rap weed in Vegas, rockin' Vagabond. Sing the song, oh, you don't know? What? Well, I still bang with you, hang with you, sip, drink with you, as long as I can sing with you live. This shit my favorite song, you just don't know the words, but I still fuck with you, you just ain't never heard. It go like count that stack, pop that captain, down that jack. All my niggas hit that zip, and all my ladies bout that bitch. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam. This my jam, this my jam, this my jam, this my jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam, about that jam.
Niggas, please be focused. That Bino, you know this. He rep the homososis. You know I'm from that zone 6. You know I rep that stone shit. You know your hood is so clear as God as my witness. This Will Smith spit real shit. I'ma be that. CG busy getting where the weed at. Bought your girl some new knee pads. They fucking with the Fifi bag. My stars, EGAD. She said, it's my favorite song on my purse. Now she on the float, dropping like it's high. You blast this shit in Abercrombie when your work is finished. Your mom won't play it in the car cause it got cursing in it. Your boy like, I'm the one who showed you he won his percentage. Cause you were like, this ain't the nigga you said spittin', is it? Two-step, white dudes Harlem shake. Why you laughing? Cause you Harlem shake. I was never fake, I was just too good to be true. That's acid rap, we killed the track. You had your chance and be no too. This shit my favorite song, you just don't know the words, but I still fuck with you, you just ain't ever heard.
It go like count that stack, pop that captain, down that jack. All my niggas hit that zip,